In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link as a PDF. This is a handy skill that can help you preserve the content of a web page and share it easily with others. First, open the link in your browser. This step is simple, but it sets the stage for everything that follows. Make sure the web page you want to save is fully loaded. This ensures that all content is captured accurately in the PDF. Now press the keys Ctrl and P if you're using Windows. This command opens the print dialog box. It's a quick shortcut that saves time in many software applications. Using shortcuts like this can greatly enhance your productivity. Once the print dialog box is open, look for the printer option. From there, select Save as PDF. This step is crucial because it changes the output from a physical printer to a digital file. By selecting Save as PDF, you're essentially converting the web page into a format that's easy to share and store. At this point, you have an optional decision to make about the layout settings. You can choose between portrait or landscape for the orientation. Think about how the content will be best displayed. Also, decide whether you want to save all pages or just a specific range. Customizing these settings allows you to tailor the PDF to your needs, which can be especially useful if the web page is lengthy. Next up, click Save. This action initiates the process of creating the PDF. You'll then be prompted to select a location on your device where you want to save this file. It's a good practice to choose a location that is easy to remember. This ensures that you can quickly find and access the PDF later when you need it. After selecting the location, click Save again. This finalizes the creation of your PDF file. It's always satisfying to know that the task is complete and your document is secure. Your link is now saved as a PDF file. This versatile format makes it simple to share information accurately and consistently. Remember, this method is not just about saving web pages. It's about preserving information in a way that's accessible and reliable. With this skill, you'll find sharing content much easier and more efficient. Now that you know how to do this, go ahead and try it with different types of content. With that ready, you'll be able to handle any web page you want to save or share in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.